Hi there, crafters. It's Sheila with SheilaStamps.net, and today we are using an older stamp set, Beautiful Day, and this is a quick and simple card we're making. Let's get started. Okay, so we are going to start with our big shot. And I have a piece of vellum, and in the back I have an adhesive sheet. And I'm using the rectangle stitched shapes, and I'm using the second to the largest and the third to the largest. This is the third. So I'm going to run that through. Okay, we'll set that aside. And then I have the black foil sheet. And then the second to the largest. Run that through. So just like that. Now I'm going to bring in some grid paper because we're going to emboss this. So I have my embossing buddy. And my VERSAMARK. And we are using Beautiful Day, and we're going to be using the butterfly and Always Thinking of You. Make sure it's good and inked up. All right, and I just want to put this down in the center. So just like that, I'm going to come in with my black embossing powder. Sprinkle that all over. All right. Let me put this back in here. And then our card base is Whisper White Thick, and it is cut at 8.5 by 5.5, and I've scored it at 4 1/4. So we're just going to use the embossing buddy in the middle of the card, and we're going to get our sentiment, and this is mounted on clear block H. All right. Close this up, and I'm going to bring in my heat tool. And I found it works a lot better if you leave it down when embossing on the vellum. All right. So we'll put this aside. And then we're going to peel off the back. Just like that. And then we're going to center it here on the black foil. And I'm going to give it a good rub down. You will be able to see the adhesive, which is why I chose to use the adhesive sheet, so it would be one solid piece here. All right. So just like that. Then I have a strip that is 1 inch by 5.5 from the, I think it's Botanical Butterfly. And just going to put this here in the middle. Just like that. And then we are going to pop this up with some Stampin' Dimensionals. And since it is pretty large, I am going to use about 9 of these Stampin' Dimensionals. And they're pretty cheap, so I don't ever mind using so many of them. Rip the back saw and put it down just like that. And there we have it, a quick and simple butterfly card. Thanks for watching, and if you need any of these supplies, please click on my online store. It's in the YouTube description below. Bye!